If you have closed your iCloud account and wish to reopen it, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have access to the necessary information before you begin. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID website. Go to the Apple ID management page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your account settings and initiate the reopening process. Step 2. Sign in with your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and password to log in. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Apple ID or password link to reset it. Step 3. Check account status. Once logged in, check the status of your account. If your account is eligible for reopening, you will see an option to reactivate it. If not, you may need to contact Apple support for assistance. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm reactivation. After completing the prompts, confirm the reactivation of your account. You should receive a confirmation email once your account has been successfully reopened. Once you have followed these steps, your iCloud account should be reactivated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.